Hey, Desmond here with I Review the Fly, coming to bring another pair of fresh and dope kicks to you today, guys. Listen up, guys. Actually, my birthday is in the next couple of days, guys. And I'll be turning 39. So, you know, I wanted to treat myself to something early. And these are a pair of shoes that I actually wanted for a while. I just couldn't find them. It's crazy, but like I said, I live in Columbus, South Carolina, and I didn't want to order them from Adidas.com. I wanted to get them physically buy from the store so I can make sure that I like them and that they would fit and everything else, guys. So I actually went out and I went in the finish line at Columbiana Mall on Harbison Boulevard, and I found the shoes that I wanted. And I know a lot of you made videos about these shoes already, and that's cool and all, but this is my video and this is for the shoes that I wanted, and I found them, I like them. And so, guys, I'm here to showcase them to you now. I will say this, I really didn't want to get them in this colorway, but I got them in this colorway, guys. So anyhow, let's get right into it, guys. What am I talking about? I am talking about Ultra Boost, baby. Ultra Boost, baby. The Ultra Boost Triple White 3.0s, guys. I've been wanting a pair of these shoes for a while. You know, of course I'm a big NMD fan, but I said, you know what? I always want a pair of Ultra Boosts. I always think they look really good. I think they really are some dope shoes, man. So, guys, here I am today unboxing my birthday gift to myself, the Adidas Ultra Boost 3.0 Triple White, guys. So let's get right into it, man. For those who don't have these yet, you need to get some, because these joints are too dope. Go ahead and pull them out. Let's move this box out of the way right quick, guys. Check this out. I'm talking straight fire. Of course, you know I got the Boost material on there. And these are the cage version. I'm not a big fan of the uncaged. I think the uncaged just look like a sock with a sole on it. That's just my opinion, but I'm digging these joints right here, the triple whites. Price right below what you pay for a pair of Yeezys, and I think they run along. They run kind of neck and neck with the style of the Yeezys. Definitely won't be my last pair of these. I definitely want a pair of these in white as well. And they're not actually, I'm sorry, in black as well. And these are not actually all white. They actually have a little bit of different coloring, like a little bit of heather gray actually in the stitching right there, guys. So, but it still works as a white shoe. It kind of runs with the silver and the Ultra Boost right there on the side of the shoe as well, guys. And of course, you guys know I'm a big fan of the all-in-one tongue. You know, like a kind of a sock situation right here. So it doesn't have that movable tongue, guys. Of course, you see the cage with the three, you know, without the Adidas stripes on there, guys. You know, just some dope kicks. Now, my thing is, I probably won't wear these shoes all the time just because they're all white cloth. I probably won't wear them all the time. I'm definitely gonna put some protecting on to make sure that they don't get stained or anything like that, or if something does spill on them, it rolls right off, guys. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, guys, there's actually this spray, and I'll actually put I'll put a photo in it. I'll put a photo in here of the spray that I'm talking about. That I pay like $15 to protect that you can spray over your shoes, and if anything falls on it, it actually literally just beads up and roll right off. Like, I seen a guy having some white sneakers and some cognac, I think it was a Hennessy that actually wasted on his shoes, and it rolled right off the shoes. That's crazy. Somebody threw up on another guy's pair of shoes and they were using the same thing, and it just came right off. One thing he did is got some water to finish getting the rest of the little food or whatever off his shoes, and he was perfectly fine, guys. So that's definitely what I'm gonna do with these shoes, man. But more so about the Ultra Boost. Let's get back to it. You know, nice comfy sole in there. You got the Boost logo right there in the sole of the shoe on both of them. The actual bottom of the shoes is actually made by Continental, the people who make really good tires, which is crazy. So you're supposed to get really good traction on here. You know, these shoes are actually made for you to be working out in. I'm personally not gonna work out in these right here. These are gonna be my shoes that I just wear out and I rock. You know, I might throw them on with some jeans. And of course I'll rock them with some joggers or whatever else, man. But I've been wanting a pair of these for a long time, and so I actually bit the bullet, went out and bought them when I saw them in the store, because none of the stores on near my side of town carry them. There was just one store actually in the city that had them, and that's Finish Line and on Columbiana Mall. That's crazy. But anyhow, guys, enough of my ranting and raving. You know I'm definitely giving these a 10 off the bat, straight hot sauce. So let's go ahead and get right into some on feet, guys, so you can see how fire the Adidas Ultra Boost 3.0 in triple white look on my feet, guys. Be right back with you. Alright guys, I'm back. As you can see, I got the Ultra Boost right here in front of your face, guys. Let's go ahead and get right into it and get into that on feet. So let me go ahead and take off my slides right quick. Love these slides, by the way. These joints right here feel really good on my feet right here, guys. Cop those at Academy Sports, which is like right up the street from my house in the village of Sand Hills in Columbia, South Carolina, guys. But anyhow, let me go ahead and move this box out of the way, and let's get right into putting these shoes on my feet, guys, and let's get this shoe pouring on. All right. So go ahead and take the tissue and everything out. Put that over to the side. Not gonna waste my time with taking off the tags right here. I just want to get them on my feet so you guys can see how they look on my feet, and that won't be an issue. Take those off later on, guys. And I'm telling you, putting my feet into these right now, because I really didn't even try them on. I went in the store. These are really, really, really comfortable, guys. Just as comfortable as my NMDs. The only thing I don't like about the Ultra Boost situation is they're so doggone expensive. $180 for a pair of shoes, that in my opinion are right along the same lines as the NMDs. But of course they got NMDs that cost more, and of course it's because of the prime knit, blah blah blah. My R1s got prime knit on. I still only paid $130 for those, but hey, it is what it is. It's my birthday, so it only comes once a year. I'm gonna treat myself every once in a while, you know what I'm saying, guys? So that's my left foot in. We go ahead and get the right foot ready to go. Pull that out of the right foot right there. Put that to the side. And get these strung up. Well, it's already strung up. Let me loosen them up a little bit so I can get my feet in them. But yeah, I see why people like the Ultra Boosts. The boosts on these joints are really, really comfortable, And like I said, once again, for you people like me who've been trying to get a pair of Yeezys all 2017, but every time you went to try to get them, they were sold out. And I'm not the one to go out and spend double the money for a pair of Yeezys. I like Yeezys, but I'm not paying the aftermarket price, $500, $700. That's freaking ridiculous, So if I can't get Yeezys, I'll be the guy that rock Ultra Boost. Be what it is, It's just really what it is. So anyhow, guys, all right, got them on my feet. Go ahead and give you that 360 roundabout. Of course, I got on my Adidas soccer pants. I don't know exactly what you call them. I don't usually wear my joints with the zip all the way down, so I usually loosen my zips up a little bit on them. You know what I'm saying? I rock them, fly, man. So it is what it is, guys. Anyhow, I'll give you that roundabout, guys. Showing you the back of them. Get the tread on them, that Continental tire tread wear. And as you can see, the boost, and it's triple white. It's just a dope kick, man. Like I said, when we standing in them right now, they are really, really, really comfortable shoes, guys. These are super comfortable. Like I said, the only thing that I'm really concerned about is because they're all white, somebody stepping on them, my kid might be staining them or whatever else. But hopefully, my spray protectant will keep them nice and glossy for me. And I guess you can always throw them in the wash, even though my wife would kill me if I threw them in our washing machine. So the whole thing is I just need to keep them straight and keep them. You only wear them, I guess, when it's just me and her or whatever. I'm going out by myself, and make sure it's definitely not a rainy day. But anyhow, guys, you see it. You see the shoes. You see the fire. You see how fly they are. If you want them, definitely, you can go to Adidas.com. Like I said, I went to finish line. They were $180. With taxes came at $192 and everything for the kicks, man. But yo, they just some dope kicks, man. Anyhow, guys, enough of me going on about that. You see them on my feet. Make sure that you like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, and also click on the bell in the bottom right corner so you can get notifications right to your inbox every time I put out a new edition, guys. And just to let you know, by the way, I Review the Fly will be expanding. I will be doing more than just shoes. I will be doing jackets, you know, sweats. I will be doing other clothes and things of that nature, guys, because fly is not just about kicks. It's about everything. I mean, I got dope shades and everything, guys. So I'm gonna be bringing you guys a whole lot of fire this year. So make sure you stay tuned, subscribe, and let's make it happen, guys. I'm out.